topic is IoT enabling technologies. So, IoT is enabled by several technologies, including wireless sensor networks, communication protocols, big data analytics, cloud computing, and embedded system. Let's discuss these technologies one by one. So, first is wireless sensor network. A wireless sensor network comprises of distributed devices with sensors which are used to monitor the environmental and physical conditions. A wireless sensor network consists of a number of end nodes and a router and coordinator. So end nodes have several sensors attached to them. In node can also act as a router. Routers are responsible for routing the data packets from end nodes to the coordinator. The coordinator collects the data from all the nodes. Coordinator also acts as a gateway that connects the wireless sensor network to the internet. Some examples of wireless sensor network are used in the IoT system are described as follow. Weather monitoring system use wireless sensor networks in which the nodes collect temperature, humidity, and other data which is aggregated and analyzed. Second is indoor air quality monitoring system use wireless sensor network to collect data on the indoor air quality and concentration of various gases. So these are some wireless sensor network which we are used in the IoT system. Next is cloud computing. So the meaning of cloud is internet or networking. So cloud computing just provides us storage. It provides services with the help of internet. So cloud computing provides the various services like infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. So infrastructure as a service. Hardware is provided by an external provider or managed for you. Second services which is provided by the cloud computing is platform as a service. In addition to hardware, your operating system layer is managed for you. Third one is software as a service. Further to the above, an application layer is provided and managed for you. You would not be see or have to worry about the first two layer. So in the software as a service, the software is provided to the users. Only software. But in the platform as a service, cloud computing provides you the platform or the facility to do the works on the internet. But in the infrastructure as a service, cloud computing provides the operating system which are available on the Amazon Web Services in the less cost. Next is big data analytics. So big data analytics is the process of collecting, organizing, and analyzing large sets of data called big data to discover pattern and other useful information. So big data analytics can help organization to better understand the information contained within the data and also help identify the data that is most important to the business and future business decisions. So some example of big data generated by the IoT system are described as follow. Sensor data generated by IoT systems such as weather monitoring stations and health and fitness data generated by IoT devices such as wearable fitness bands. So these are some characteristics of the big data like volume, variety, velocity, veracity. Next is communication protocols. So communication protocols form the backbone of the IoT system and enables networking connectivity and coupling to the applications. So communication protocols allow devices to exchange data over the network. Next is embedded system. As its name suggests, embedded system means something that is attached to another thing. An embedded system can thought of as a computer hardware system having software embedded in it. An embedded system can be independent system or it can be a part of large system. So embedded system is a controller program and controlled by a real-time operating system. So an embedded system has three components. It has hardware, it has application software, and it has real-time operating system that supervises the application software and provide mechanism to let the processor run a processor as per scheduling by following a plan to control the latencies. So these are the Internet of Things technologies.